Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I'm gonna need you guys to balance me out because there's something that I was not getting about Umakwela and Umatsele's conversation. Now they're having breakfast, guys. The place is so nice. It is cute. Mind you, before I get to that, guys, this was such a wholesome episode to just see the family playing games, enjoying each other's company, putting their problems aside. Nosnela Payana ezigulisa ngizothi uyazigulisa because it looked like she just didn't want to involve herself nomangwabe, but at some point jiki nabu usne she's involved because yabona ukuthi akunamuntu omnakile nje. Anyway, back to Umatsele and Umakwela. Umakwela says something to Umakwela ukuthi umkhulu. Kodwa nami ngimkhulu because angithi mina ngafika kuqala. Something like that, and then she goes on to say ukuthi mina ayikho into engayaziyo, like there's nothing that I don't know. But the conversation was just giving vibes of as if Umatsele was saying to Umakwela ukuthi Geli umkhulu buka nje, like you are special, wafika nje number 5 kudala sikhuluma ngawe for season in season out, sime ngawe girl, silinde wena. Now that you've arrived, look ukuthi izinto, ukuthi how things are going, everyone is nangazeling. Well, she didn't say those exact words, but I'm saying what it was giving. Everyone is nangazeling because Makwela naku ulana. I'm like, what type of conversation is this? That's how I'm saying, guys, maybe I need you to balance me. Maybe I did not get it well. I was not catching it. But I'm just like, ay, man, this thing doesn't seem right. Why would you tell Umakwela ukuthi wena umkhulu? So kind of to say ukuthi Umatsele benoMakwela, they are more important than the other wives. Umatsele also says ukuthi nami ngimkhulu because ngafika kuqala and there's nothing I don't know. I'm just like, for me, it's starting to sound as if, especially mentioning the statement of there's nothing I don't know that's going on, it makes it sound ukuthi Umatsele is kind of saying ukuthi vele izinto ezenzakalayo, I have some sort of control over it because I know the ins and outs of what's going on. But I feel like that conversation is so dangerous, you guys. And that's why I'm just like, am I hearing right? Because it might have been innocent. I don't know what motivated Umatsele to even say that to Umakwela and make her feel ingathi she's the special one amongst the other wives. But I feel like that conversation can be dangerous because Umakwela is gonna go into Mzumbe with that mentality ukuthi vele ngimkhulu. Wafika mina izinto nje zama, wafika mina and then wane chaos kwamseleku. You can't be happy about the fact that kune chaos mokufika wena, guys, whereas you are here as a wife to build. How will you build when other wives don't want to build with you? That's not a nice thing. But not only that, you guys, I just feel like Umakwela needs to be careful. She needs to be careful, and I really hope ukuthi she's a smart girl to not take up impi that Umatsele has with other wives, or to not to pick sides because she doesn't know the other wives. Yes, now it seems nice and we appreciate the fact that Umatsele is welcoming to Umakwela and making her kind of feel welcomed, but I just feel like Makwela, you need to just take a back step and learn things for yourself. Don't get involved in all of these things because I just feel like it's going to cause division amongst wives, of some wives feeling more important. And I have a feeling that next season it's going to be an issue. One of the wives will probably bring it up. Yo wuti angithi yena Umatsele benoMakwela, they are bigger than us. They're gonna bring it up. So I just don't find it conducive, and I don't know why she said that. NoMakwela ke uyahleka laphayana, busy laughing, feeling all special. Akunamuntu special lana. Yes, okwamanje she might feel like the special one, but I mean already she's in the strip or Umusa's at a family trip. She's here with Umatsele, but this man couldn't even take the time to call her. He's being quiet. That is just a clear indication ukuthi Kelly, there's nothing special about you more than, yes, you're special when in your own way, but don't even think you're better than those other wives because those other wives are coming from the same thing you're coming from. So please, Hey guys, anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next